आज हमारा टॉपिक है प्रपोजिशन। पहला प्रपोजिशन है अबाइड बाय, मतलब पाबंदी करना। द प्लेयर्स मस्ट अबाइड बाय द रूल्स ऑफ द गेम्स। एब्सेंट फ्रॉम, ही वॉज एब्सेंट फ्रॉम स्कूल। एक्यूज ऑफ, ही वॉज accused of theft। Act upon, you must act upon the advice of your teachers। Agree with, I agree with you in this matter। Angry at, she was angry at my behavior। Agree with, they were angry with, they were angry with me। Appear before, he will appear before the judge। Arrive at, the train arrived at the Lahore station in time। Ashamed of, you should be ashamed of your behavior। Assured of, she assured me of her help। Aware of, he was not aware of my difficulties। Beg for, the children were begging for alms। Believe in, the Muslims believe in the oneness of Allah। Belong to, these books belong to her। Born to, a son was born to her। Born in, he was born in rich family। Care for, he does not care for me। Careful about, he is very careful about his health। Complaint against, the father made a complaint against his son। Confidence in, he has no confidence in his parents। Confident of, she was confident of her success। Congratulate on, she congratulated me on my success। Consequence of, is not consequence of his weakness। Control over, they have no control over their son। Dear to, Pakistan is very dear to us। Depend on, the whole family depends on her for its living। Deliver to, this letter was delivered to me only yesterday। Die of, he died of cancer। Die for, we should always be prepared to die for our country। Dream of, I could not dream of these comforts। Eligible for, eligible for this post। Engaged to, she was engaged to a rich man। Entitled to, is entitled to these facilities। Equal to, this angle equal to that। Fail in, Pinky failed in mathematics। Faithful to, they are faithful to her। Faith in, we must have faith in Allah। Famous for, Lahore is famous for its historical buildings। Feel for, I feel for the poor। Fight for, we must fight for the basic human rights। Fill in the blank with a suitable preposition। Fire at, the police opened fire at the demonstrators। Fond of, she is fond of reading novels। Forgive for, please forgive him for his misbehavior। Full of, the basket was full of flowers। Glad at, she was glad at her success। Grateful to, I am grateful to you for your kindness। Grieve at, I was grieved at his loss। Guilty of, he was guilty of stealing। Happened to, what happened to, hear about, I am sorry to hear about, absent, about his sad death। Hope for, we must always hope for the best। Hope of, there is hardly hope for her recovery from illness।